Winston AI Review. So Winston AI is a tool designed to detect AI-generated text and check for plagiarism. So is it worth it? So it offers features like OCR for scanned documents, a visual AI prediction map, and multilingual support. So the pros of Winston's AI is it has strong AI detection accuracy for common models. And in independent test, Winston AI detected GPT content with around 99.9% accuracy all-in-one detection and plagiarism check. So it offers all-in-one detection, like for OCR scanning, similarity detection, and AI detections, analysis in one tool. It also is user-friendly with the interface and even has recordings. It's also good for scanned or image-based text, and they have a reasonable pricing for advanced users. The cons of it though is it has inconsistent accuracy with nuance or human tasks. It also has higher false positive compared to others, and they have limited plagiarism tools in lower plans, so you might want to pay more in order to unlock the premium plan. And then the price may be steep for some users compared to other tools like GPT-0. So overall, Winston AI is a solid detector for spotting AI-generated text, particularly from common models like GPT and GPT-4.